Welcome. In front of me is a Xiaomi 13 Pro, and today I will show you how you can hard reset this device through settings. So to get started, we're gonna open up our settings. From there, navigate to About Phone, and then at the bottom you will see Factory Reset. When you select this, it gives you a list of things that it will remove. So if you want to back up some of these listed items right here, maybe like for instance photos, videos, contacts, anything like that, user data, then you can do so by just tapping right here on, as you've seen, erase all data. It brings up this pop-up, gives you the option to back it up right now, and once you have done so, you can then proceed to factory reset. Now next thing it asks us is if we want to clear our eSIM. If you don't use eSIM, you can just select whatever. Obviously, if you don't have one, there's nothing to keep or nothing to clear. And from there, you have attention. All data will be removed. So basically, we get 10 seconds black right here before we can tap on next, as you can see. And then another 10 seconds right here, because Xiaomi thinks that user base of theirs is a bunch of absolute troglodytes that cannot fathom the process of reset in first message. So anyway, once you confirm it, it will begin factory resetting the device, which will take about a minute, 2 minutes maybe. And once it's completed, we'll be then presented with Android setup screen. So I'll be back once that is visible for me. And as you can see, the process is now finished, and you can set up your phone however you like. Now, if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.